Hey, it's Robert here from robertcbrown.online. I hope you're having a terrific day wherever you are in the world today. Have you ever tried to set and achieve goals? Have you ever had predictable success with that? Where you know you're going to set a goal and you absolutely know with certainty that you're going to achieve it? Well, most people don't. And I'm here today to help you get that fixed. Okay, so today this video is all about my 100% free goal setting course where you can swipe my proven formula. How does that sound? We're going to get stuck into why you need to get goals handled, why you need to make them realistic, time-based, all of that stuff. And we're going to talk about what it will do for you when you get this handled. The difference it's going to make in your life and business is staggering. And of course, I'm going to get stuck into the how with my free course that I'm going to give you access to. And if that's not all enough for you on this bright sunny day, I'm going to give you access to more resources if you want to dig even deeper and push yourself on even further. How does that sound? Mouth-watering? Hope so. Let's get started. Okay, so let's talk about the why you should set goals. It's pretty obvious, I guess, or you probably wouldn't be watching this video, but most people go through life just kind of with a list of wishes, things they'd like to show up in their life with no actual action plan or blueprint for actually making that happen, for actually moving in the right direction towards that reality. And that's what goals are all about. Now, when they're done correctly, goals work. Goals will move you towards your desired outcome, and they'll move you in a predictable fashion. And that's what's great. The other thing that's really great about goals is the fact that when you have a blueprint from getting to A to B to C and further on, you can actually track your progress. You can actually see yourself moving forward, and that's what gives you momentum to keep going. It kind of puts juice in the car and keeps everything moving forward. Because if you get a sense that you're just kind of meandering around and going around in one vicious circle all the time, never moving forward, chances are you're going to give in, throw your arms up in the air, and that'll be that. And that's another dream that went by the wayside. No. All you need to do is put some structure into your life and put some determined action behind that structure, and you can start to achieve your goals starting right now. And that's why you should do it. I'd really like to talk to you about my own personal experience with setting goals. When I first started to set goals and actually start to achieve goals, it made such a difference in my life and my business, by the way, which, at the same time kind of reverberated back into my own personal life as well. Because, hey, it's so good to be free from the fear of not having enough money, okay? Now, I'm the last person in the world to be totally focused on money all the time. That's not what gets me going. That's not what I'm all about, not what floats my boat. But we all need some. In this physical reality we all live in, we need money as a medium of exchange to be able to live to a certain level of comfort, right? Agreed? Okay, so what this will do is by enabling you to set better goals and achieve bigger goals within your business, it'll have a knock-on effect in your personal life where you'll be free from the fear of not having enough money, and you can focus 100% of your attention on being in the moment with the people that you love, doing the things that you do, and having a spectacular life. Surely that's why we're all here. Just one reason, to be happy. Maybe another reason, to learn a lesson that we can take with us back into spirit. That's a conversation for another time. But right now we're here to talk about goals and what they'll do for you. And I've already mentioned why you should be doing these things. But let's talk a minute about what will happen if you don't do goals. Honestly, I've seen it so many times. People going around in circles all the time. It's like deja vu over and over and over and over again. Somewhere in the back of their mind, They've got a kind of foggy idea of what it is they want from life, but they never put a plan of action into place, so they never move forward towards it. They just kind of meander around and end up at point A again, thinking the same thoughts, and they're wasting their lives away. Now, I'm here to tell you, that is a choice, right? You don't have to waste your life away like that. You can take steps to make your desired reality show up. And I'm going to give you the keys to that today, 100% free, with my goal setting course. And I hope your mouth is watering, because I've taught this in live workshops with people, many people, and had spectacular results. And they've been paying me a lot of money to attend these workshops too. So don't, whatever you do, run away with the idea that because it's free, it's no good. That would be the wrong idea, totally. There's a lot of value in this goal setting workshop. It has the potential, if you apply what you learn there diligently, daily, persistently, it can change your life. It will change your life if you do it as I show you. Okay, so SMART goals, what are they? Well, they are specific, measurable, action orientated, realistic, whatever that means for you, and time based or time bound, whichever you prefer. Same thing. That's the formula. And I'm not going to get stuck into the whys and wherefores of why SMART, okay? Because you'll find all that out when you get your hands on my free goal setting workshop. You're going to find all of that out, you're going to see what it will do for you, and hopefully you're going to employ it in your life, in your business, and you're going to see the results for yourself. So that's that out of the way. No need for me to waste time breaking down exactly why SMART. But one thing that I will say, there's one part of that I want to talk about, and that's the reality, the realistic side of things. Realistic because it has to be realistic for you. And the reason I say that is because it's not, let me just stop right there and just say, I am not saying don't set big goals. I want you to set big goals. I want you to achieve big goals. That's more important, right? But it's like a muscle. Your self-belief, your confidence when it comes to goal setting, you have to build it over time with a series of smaller successes, smaller wins, if that makes sense. So what you need to do from wherever you are right now with your belief system, you need to set goals that you think, you believe, you feel, right, that you have a realistic chance of achieving. And every time you achieve it, that muscle grows a little bit more, and next time you can go for a slightly bigger goal. And then you'll have that expectation again of, I'm going to achieve this goal. Rather than getting to a situation where you set the goal really, really big, and somewhere deep inside you don't really think you're going to crack it anyway. So all you do is set yourself up for a long, frustrating road, I'm afraid. And that's not going to be good for your self-esteem or your general well-being. Your total, the way you will feel about yourself will be diminished completely if you go that way. Because what you're doing, actually, you're setting yourself up for a long succession of failure steps. Well, how's that going to make you feel? If you have failure after failure after failure after failure, you're eventually going to feel that goal setting doesn't work, and hey, you're destined to spend your life just about where you are. Well, I'm here to tell you that that's not true unless you make that choice. If you buy into that, it'll absolutely be true for you, right? I'm suggesting you buy into a different version of who you are, who you can be, what you can do, and what you can have as a result. It's all out there for you. It's all waiting. You just haven't claimed it yet. I'm challenging you, in fact, to go claim it. If you want to get your hands on my goal setting workshop, again, I'm going to reiterate, 100% free today. You need to go to robertcbrown.online/goals. That's robertcbrown.online/goals. Now, there is an opt-in, but the good thing is you're going to get into my community and you're going to get an awful lot of support with this goal setting workshop, and not only that, you're going to get access to an awful lot more resources to help you moving forward to create the life and the business of your dreams. Okay, but we're not going to be talking in dreams anymore. In the future, your dreams are going to become reality. I want all of your dreams to become your reality, and if you want it for you as bad as I want it for you, then you'll become an unstoppable force. It's going to happen, okay? All you need to do is take the action. All right, so on top of the goal setting workshop that you're getting your hands on today, I'm going to offer you more resources, okay? So when you get into my community, as I said, I've already mentioned, you're going to get some support with this to get the best out of it, but you're also going to get all sorts of other stuff that I'm going to send you to really support you moving forward and help you with your personal growth and your spiritual growth. I hope that's really got you excited. If it doesn't, check yourself for a pulse, will you? Okay. This has got the potential to change your life into whatever you want it to be, as long as you believe in it and you take the action. Enough said. That's it from me. I hope you've enjoyed the video. I'm going to give you the link one more time. It should be below the video, but just in case that we've forgotten something, it's robertcbrown.online/goals. Go there now, get your goal setting workshop, put it into action, see the results show up. You're worth it. I know it. You know it too, really. Let's get started. Speak soon. It's Robert here. Thanks for watching the video. I hope you've really enjoyed it. If you've enjoyed this, then please subscribe to this channel and come back and see many more. Doing these things all the time. And if you want to know when the next one comes up, click the little bell and you'll get a notification each and every time we've got a new video up there for you to have a look at. And the other thing is, I nearly forgot. If you love everything to do with personal development, business development, and just getting yourself into a peak state, then you're going to want to get over to my free webinar training, which is going to show you exactly the steps to take to overcome any inner barriers that are stopping you from achieving in life and business right now, and exactly what to do to get that put right and start living the life of your dreams, starting right now. Sounds like a tall order? Promise you, you can do this stuff. Get across to my webinar training. The link is in the description below this video. I hope to see you there. And at the very least, I hope that you click the bell. I hope you subscribe to the channel. And I hope to see you back here again soon.